The reactive force field ReaxFF has been applied very successfully in large-scale atomistic simulations from various areas. Once a suitable set of parameters is picked from the ParAMS force field library, setting up such calculations is straightforward with the help of the ParAMS GUI. But what if there are no suitable parameters available for the material of interest? Unfortunately, generating your own or improving existing sets of parameters is a much tougher task. Therefore, being able to optimize parameters for certain compounds or create new ones is a valuable and much sought after skill. In the current ParAMS 2022 release, we have included a brand new parametrization module called ParAMS. To lower the barrier as much as possible, we designed a highly interactive GUI that will support you every step of the way, from the training data generation and management to the choice of active parameters up to the evaluation of the result. It's all there. On top, we have added several new tutorials that will take you through real-life ReaxFF parametrizations using ParAMS, step by step. In fact, ReaxFF parameter fitting has become so much more accessible with ParAMS that we decided to host a ReaxFF parametrization contest. Let's see who can fit the best ReaxFF parameter set for describing an epoxide amine polymerization. For this, we will provide a training set and input files that you are free to modify as you see fit. In the end, we are ranking the submitted new parameter sets against a secret test set containing similar structures but not the same as the public training set. Everybody can participate. Existing customers can include ReaxFF and ParAMS for free in their license for the duration of the challenge, and non-existing customers can sign up for a free 30-day trial. In addition to fame and glory, we will reward the top 3 contestants with discounts on their next ParAMS license fees, as well as shopping vouchers up to 250 euros. If this sounds interesting, check out the link I put in the video description as to where you can sign up, and we are looking very much forward to your feedback and of course to many new and nice parameter sets